Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to get that stuck Mercury Verado cowling off and how to replace those latches. Enjoy the video, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so you squeeze the handle and nothing. What you want to do next is take out the 6 screws holding the top cover on. There are 4 in the back and 2 in the front. After you pull the cover off, here's your handle. There's this metal pin here that you can flip up and pull out to remove the handle and the cable. With a working cable, when you pull up on the handle, it pulls the 2 tabs hooking onto the back cowling. After you change your cable, make sure to adjust it here with 2 10mm wrenches. And now let's do the 2 lower cowling latches.
You'll see these latches down here. They like to stick like that, or the cable will break. And the latch won't move when you move the cable. First thing you want to do is trim this motor up so it's tilted forward just a little bit. So if you do drop any bolts, they will roll forward opposed to rolling back. The next thing you want to do is take these bolts out. You got one bolt here, one bolt here, one nut here, one nut down there, and another nut there. For this nut right here, you're going to want to take your hand, stick it down in through here so you can get your fingers over there. Grab it up under this lip here and lift it up over that bolt and pull it out so you can set it to the side. Same goes for this one over here. Getting these cables off of here, if you look right here, there is a circlip. You're going to just pop that circlip off. When you pop that off, this pin will come out and you can remove these 2 cables from there. Now on the latches themselves, there's a little rubber grommet here. You can pull that grommet out, and then you'll be able to see this other circlip. Pop that circlip off, and you'll be able to pull this cable out of here. There's a 15/16 right here, or an 8mm, one there, and you can pull the latch out. Once you take that clip off, you'll be able to pull this cable back, and then this little wire here will be able to slip out of that hole down here on the bottom. It'll slip out of there, you'll be able to pull it off. The cowling latch should be able to work properly. If there's any buildup on this hole right here, you're going to want to knock that out. Use your picks and screwdrivers and whatnot to get that out of there. Then you're going to take this out of here. So it's just like this. Make sure you put it back in that little hole there. Then you're going to want to unscrew these all the way to the top so you can take them off. This cable will push down like this and you'll be able to pull it out. And then you can remove the cable. You're basically going to put this on the same way you took it off. Now this is your adjustment. So this is how you adjust the tension on the cowling from the latch. A general rule of thumb is to put it in the middle for the beginning. So put it right there in the middle, and then we'll tighten that up. Then you're going to want to take this like this and stick it down in that hole there. Once you get that in that right there, you're going to want to take your cable, stick it through this hole, pull on the other end, and stick this through. Once you get that through, you can put your clip back on there. Once your clip's back on there, don't forget to put in the rubber grommet. Run it through here. This one's a little bit more difficult. You've got to take this one out. The trick is to hold this in like this so that you can remove that bolt there. That's a 5/16 8mm. You're going to take that out, and again take that one out there, and then we'll pull this whole latch out. So here's your latch, and you can see it's broken here. They corrode up. What you've got to do is get in here and chip away at all this corrosion and to get that little pin out of there. So now we've got the cable in there. It's time to put it back in. Basically just going to put it back in the way we took it out, and make sure you grease those bolts so that way when it does break again, because they are common to break, that you'll be able to do it again. After you get these adjusted, an easy way to put this pin back in is to have this flip down, put your pin in, and then flip it up, and it'll put some tension there for you to be able to put your circlip and washer back in. Putting this nut in, you could either take a piece of paper and put it down here in the socket and then put the nut on in there, and that'll hold it, or you can flip it up like this on a swivel, disattach it from your ratchet, stick your hand down in there, and then you can lightly feed this down here, get it down to your finger, and use your finger to get it onto the stud, and then push the swivel straight, and then you can turn it and get it started with your hand. Then you take your ratchet, tighten it up, you get your bolts back in it, you'll have the cables all adjusted, and you'll have working cowling latches.
Alright, thanks for watching. I hope that helped you get your cowling latches straightened out. If you'd like something else covered, just drop a comment in the comment section below and give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and until next time.